How is vitamin D deficiency treated in Indian pediatrics?
Vitamin D deficiency in children means 25-hydroxyvitamin D below about 20 nanograms per milliliter. Treat by repleting stores, correcting calcium, and starting maintenance. Common Indian regimens. Oral cholecalciferol, 60,000 international units once weekly for 6 to 8 weeks for older children. Or a supervised single stoss dose, commonly 300,000 international units in selected cases. Then give daily maintenance, infants 400 to 600 international units, children 600 to 1,000 international units. Monitor 25-hydroxyvitamin D, calcium phosphate and alkaline phosphatase at about 8 to 12 weeks. Hospitalize and give intravenous calcium for hypocalcemic seizures. Refer if refractory, atypical, or with malabsorption or organ disease.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.